how to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you could do is you could open your device manager, which you could easily search in your taskbar over here. And in this page, you're just simply going to navigate and locate your keyboard over here. You're just simply going to right click on your keyboard and click on update driver. Sometimes if your driver is not updated, there will be an issue with your keyboard and you won't be able to use a few of its system or functions. Aside from that, you could also try and updating your Windows, check if there are any pending Windows update and try updating that. And if none of those work, unfortunately, it's most likely that your device or the issue is a hardware issue. And if you don't want to pay for an electrician or for a replacement for your keyboard, what you could do is you could have some onboard or on-screen keyboard just like this one over here that you could easily have also. So if you go to your personalization page over here, click on our taskbar option over here and click on touch keyboard over here. So click on always over here. There should be an icon over here below that would appear, which will basically show you an onboard keyboard just like what we showed you earlier. So those are the different things that you could do. This one though is an alternative if you don't want to pay for an electrician to fix your device. But unfortunately, that's the only limit or that's the only thing we could do in the side of software. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.